students, today I shall discuss about the nature of sociology, whether sociology is a science or art subject. Sociology from its beginning understood itself as a science because it follows scientific canons of procedure. It means that the statements or the results that the sociologist arrives at must be arrived through observation of certain rules of evidence that allow others to check on or to repeat to develop his or her findings further. For example, if we do a research on a particular topic, then we need to follow certain steps. Like we may need to prepare questionnaires to collect information, or we may need to visit the field, or to take interview of a certain sections of people, or we may need to observe the situation to draw a certain conclusion. And if any other person do the same research and follow the same procedure, she may get the same result, or they can develop their own findings further. Moreover, there has been considerable debate within sociology about the natural science and human science, between quantitative and qualitative research. Now one question may arise, what is natural science? Natural science is a branch of knowledge which deals with the study of physical world, and subjects like physics, chemistry comes under this subject matter. Human science is the branch of study of human being or their actions, and history, political science comes under this. Quantitative research means the research which is based on quantity or based on numbers. That means only finding the number of people who are suffering from particular problem or issue. Qualitative research means the research which is based on quality, not on quantity, like the study of human emotion or behavior, etc. Briefly, I am explaining here. Though sociology cannot experiment with human being directly in a laboratory, or we cannot put human being in the test tubes. Is it possible to put human being into the test tubes? It is not possible, isn't it? So we cannot experiment with human being in a laboratory. But sociology does employ scientific methods and use questionnaire method, interview method, case history, which apply quantitative measurement to social phenomenon. That means whenever we investigate or do research on any issue or problems, we use scientific procedure. Step by step, we collect information. And sociology does frame laws and attempt to predict about the situation. The way natural science experiment and draw certain result and predict about the related experiment, in the same way sociology can also predict about any situation. So from this study we can say that sociology is an independent science which has its own characteristics. It is the combination of both science and arts subject.